Video we're going to be doing disc and pads, so make sure to like, subscribe, share this post as much as you can, and let's get right into it. Right then, so we're going to get these disc and pads changed. So that is the two. These are rear disc, by the way, because every time I brake it starts shaking, and obviously that's not normal. So that's the disc, as you can see, nice and round if you didn't know, just in case. And then these are the pads. Nice little pads in here, and then guess how much it came up to. This from Mercedes, as usual, expensive, £118. Yeah, typical. Right, let's get down to Autotech in Coventry. I'm pretty sure they love me. Right, that is the car down to Autotech in Coventry. So these guys, they do, the MOT service. They do pretty much everything all on the board. It's definitely recommended that you come down. That's the reason why I come here, because I trust them a lot. I do a A-class job. Get it? A-class? No? Okay. Unlimited smoke, did it with gang, them I did it with bro. Grip and go, don't trespass and rock, get slow like crow. Close, the 911, can't trap my smoke, I trap my smoke, I click. Can't blow, 2 a.m. still my name, the boy back no. So what you're seeing right now is putting the levers on, just so the A-class can go nice in the air, more comfortable for them to do the actual job. The car is now in the air, ready for them to get the wheels off. Now it's taking the bolts off, so you can take the wheel off and have easy access for the disc and pads. That's the first time the wheels come off from the car. As you can tell, very dirty, needs a clean. Now this is what's causing the shakiness. So we just find out the hub is fine, it's just the actual disc itself. It's not the best. We've got all the bolts off, nice, easy. That's good. Now on to getting this change. Keep on coming back, you're telling lies, I'm speaking facts, they sent it subliminals. Another dirty wheel, very dirty. This is, you think in the camera this looks shiny, it ain't shiny. It's very dirty, it needs a wash. I'm glad all of this is holding off really nicely, so A-class job. I don't even flex a free, exos they texting me, packs coming, yeah, Mexicano, serving the tacos. And I'm putting up juices. As you can see, I mean, it looks alright, but it's very thin, and then that's probably why it's shaking so much. Yeah, that's the new disc, and surprisingly, it comes in grey. Like, where have I seen this before? Now he's aligning the brake pads just to ensure that it fits in place, to make sure it doesn't move all over the place. Okay, hold up, what is this? I didn't know they do mini lorries. Right, everybody, come down and get your mini lorries done, cars done. Next thing you know, it's a motorbike. Okay, before we continue the video, I want to know what you guys want me to do with the A-class. So put some suggestions down in the comment section and we can work something out. So now the disc and pads have been all set and aligned for the right side of the wheel. Now we're going to move on to the left side. Let's get it. And now we're going to start on the left side, do the same preparation as we did for the right hand side as well. Now that's the disc from the left hand side of the wheel. And I'm not sure if you can notice, this one's a lot more thinner than usual. I believe these are very cheap. I'm not sure why people go for cheap things when they know it's not going to last long, not going to give you the best comfortable ride as well. So it's best to go for the best quality. So if you look after your car will look after you. So as you can see, the new one is on there and we're getting prepped up, all back together. Putting in my sack, yeah. I keep cutting from these guys, yeah. Money is so evil, yeah. They keep on coming back, yeah. You're telling lies, I'm speaking facts, yeah. They sent it subliminals. I'm the incredible. Also, I wanted to ask if any of you guys know any good Mercedes A250 exhaust out there, that'd be much appreciated. Just leave it down in the comment section so that I can have a look into it, because I'm struggling to find a good exhaust for this specific car. So now it's finalizing everything, making sure that all the bolts are nicely tight so they don't fall off while you're driving.
We live in that life. I don't talk too much, just count my blessings.
And that is the disc and pads completed. So I'm gonna go on a drive and see how it goes. But if you ever need anything sorted out for your vehicle, whether it's a mini lorry or a car, whether it needs MOT, servicing, needs looking into, do definitely check out these guys. These guys are professional at what they do, and there's no hiding corners. Make sure to like, subscribe, share this post as much as you can, and like I said, please do leave some suggestions down below, and look forward to seeing the next video. Let's get it.
Dreams so real, they keep me up at night. This love and loyalty I feel. Yeah, never switch up, that's real. Yeah, money comes slow, but we build. Yeah, luck sell our dreams, that's the deal. Yeah. Dreams and just talk, they living proof. Family in the crib, yeah, we bulletproof. Money ain't love, but it helps get through. Luck sell our dreams, that's what I do, yeah.